Hey guys, this is JJ1 and thank you for clicking on this video. My last video was me riding me in my ghillie suit. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I want to show you my birthday present that I got and my another thing. Okay, first walking up to my new mountain bike. It's a Genesis big. It's a big Easy. It's got 29-inch tires, and 29 inches is pretty big. I mean, compared to this bike, like you can tell, it's like a lot bigger. Like you could fit that BMX tire in there, and yeah, it's pretty big tires. It helps you roll over just about anything. It's got 24 gears. I think, yeah, 24 gears. 24 shifter. You can shift it through it 24 times. It's got really light frame. Forgot what it's made out of. And it's got a front disc brake. If you don't know what a disc brake is, it's just like I think it's a better kind of brake. It's got a front disc brake and just the old style back brake. And it's got nice tires. It's got nice stubby tires. Comes with a kickstand. And we bought this water bottle holder. They're like $6. And it's got good shocks in the front, as you can see. And this is my sister's mountain bike, and yeah, it's kind of a piece of junk. And this was $200. So yeah. The other thing I want to show you about, we got it like a month ago, and it is. I'm gonna get over here so I show it. It is a arcade machine. It says Jacob was here, but we got it for like, I think it was $70 at a garage sale. But it used to be a Golden Tee golf thing, but we're gonna convert it into something called a MAME machine. But I'm pretty sure we're not using MAME. We're using this thing called Hyperspin. My dad has bought like a 2 terabyte hard drive, and he has like pretty much every classic game of all time. He's got all the Nintendo, PlayStation, I'll have to show you when it's done. But this used to have a thing on here. It's a Golden Tee. This is the trackball for it. He took it off. I think it used to be a Mortal Kombat machine because of all the buttons. And my dad printed this off the computer. He did a pretty good job. Like you can see the lines where he put the paper together. But he printed it off, pretty high quality, legit. Actually, this is the coin slot things. A pretty tragic thing happened to my dad when we took this out of his truck. It is made out of all wood, and this thing weighs a ton. He was unloading out of his trunk, and he cut the top, like he was on a dolly, and it was sliding. He was gonna plan on sliding it down. And when he did, like the dolly slid back onto his ring finger, his left ring finger, and it cut the tip off. Like, crap, it's like that part that's on the camera, like the fingernail. And if you don't believe me, all the blood stains are right here, all that black stuff. And that's where it happened, and it came all the way around here. My dad was like freaking out pretty bad, and we had to like find his finger. It was like underneath the arcade machine, but now it's reattached and he's fine, and it's like grown back. It's like all reattached. His nail just has to grow back now. But these used to be the start buttons, and this is forgot, I don't know, but yeah, that's the thing for the Golden Tee when it used to be that. But it's gonna have every arcade machine. I'm gonna do a lot of reviews on the games. We're not gonna make it accept the coins. It works, but still works. And this is where you can mess with the back. Right here. You can open this up and do different things to it. This is where like all the whole works is, when it works. And we're gonna put a computer monitor back here. And it's gonna be the computer, it's the actual computer. It's gonna be hooked up to this monitor. And so you can play the games through this. And instead of having like a mouse and keyboard that you pull out, we're gonna have, you can control the computer with the joysticks and the buttons. And which are not, and we might get a gun too, because that's going to go on the sides. My dad's going to get buttons for right here so you can play pinball on it too. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to be playing like a lot of Galaga on it. That's like my favorite. But tomorrow morning at like around 9, I'm gonna get my a paintball gun. So if you guys want to see me like doing a review with it and shooting it, you can just comment and below and tell me if you want to or not. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe and rate this video and favorite. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.